Are you tired of paying $97 a month for ClickFunnels or struggling with complicated tools like Kartra or lead pages? What if I told you there's a 100% free way to build a high-converting sales funnel in just minutes? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your first sales funnel for free using System.io, an all-in-one tool that makes it super easy to grow your online business. Let's be real. Tools like ClickFunnels are powerful, but they're expensive. $97 a month just for the basic plan? And platforms like Kartra or Kajabi can run you over $100 a month. Not to mention the learning curve is steep for beginners. Too many features, too much confusion. And if you're just starting out, the last thing you want is to burn through your budget before you even make your first sale. That's where System.io comes in. System.io is a completely free all-in-one marketing platform. You can build entire funnels, send emails, sell courses, run affiliate programs, and automate your business, all without paying a single cent to get started. The key benefits are free forever plan, no credit card needed, drag and drop funnel builder, unlimited email campaigns, even in the free plan, built-in automation, sell digital products or courses, affiliate program included. This is perfect for entrepreneurs, freelancers, coaches, course creators, or even side hustlers who want to build an online business without investing in expensive software. Now let's build your sales funnel step-by-step inside System.io. Follow along. Step 1. Create a free account. Visit System.io. Click Get Started for free and sign up. Step 2. Create a funnel. Go to Funnels. Create. Choose Build an Audience or Sell a Product. Name your funnel. Step 3. Build your pages. Add a landing page and thank you page. Choose from beautiful pre-made templates. Customize with drag and drop editor. Step 4. Connect your email sequence. Go to Emails, Campaigns. Create a welcome email or sales series. Set up automation rules to trigger emails. Step 5. Add your product or offer. Add a product page or checkout. Integrate with Stripe, PayPal. Optional. Set up an upsell or downsell page. Step 6. Go live. Publish your funnel with one click. Share the link or connect your domain. And just like that, you've built your first working sales funnel in under 10 minutes. For free. Why you should start now? Let's have a recap on the advantages of using System.io. 1. All-in-one platform. No more tool hopping. 2. Affordable, even free pricing. 3rd, simple and fast funnel building. 4. Built-in email marketing and automation. 5. Sell online courses or memberships. 6. Product sales and affiliate marketing. 7. Built for global use. 8. Beginner-friendly with great support. 9. Scalable as you grow. Let me give you a quick walkthrough of how to create a landing page and funnel in just 10 minutes. Just follow along with this video guide. System.io isn't just a software. It's a business launchpad. Whether you're starting a side hustle, building a digital empire, or switching from costly tools, it's built to empower you with everything you need. System.io is an all-in-one marketing platform designed to help entrepreneurs Content creators and online businesses streamline their digital operations. No plugins, no extra fees. Just one login, one dashboard, and zero overwhelm. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Intuitive, even for beginners. Powerful enough for 6- and 7-figure businesses. Constantly evolving to meet users' real needs.
So sick to my stomach. Is anybody there? Red lights in the darkness. Everyone's so heartless. Does anybody care? You're so hard to explain. With your heart in the keys. Only whisper, but you won't shout. Cause the second you wait. Too much pressure to take. Every breath of you wants to cry out. Now it's hard to we don't know who is us. So sick to my stomach. Is anybody there? Red lights in the darkness. Everyone's so heartless. Does anybody care? You're so hard to explain. With your heart in the keys. Only whisper, but you won't shout. Cause the second you wait. Too much.
So if you're ready to build your first sales funnel right now, link in the bio and description to create your free System.io account and start building today.